Here's one I've been kind of dying to get ever since I saw it posted on the website. I was really disappointed because originally it was out of stock, at least it showed on the website, and they were going for some crazy money on eBay, and I didn't feel like paying eBay prices. So fortunately, when they put a lot of other stuff on sale the other night, this one was one of the ones that popped up, and I had to snatch it. My goal is to get every E30 that Tarmac Works produces. Of course, if you ever get Tarmac Works, they come in the plastic. Nice little presentation, nice little wrap. They're infinitely better at wrapping plastic than I will ever be in my life. I wonder if I can slide it out. Yep, cool. This one does not appear to be a limited model. Oh, that was really easy to come off. Nice. Love the little plate. Tarmac Works BMW M3 E30. And it's got the M3 badge on there. Look at that. Do you see the seatbelts? I just love the little details that they put into this stuff. That is sharp. I feel like the paint's a little heavy on this one. Can't quite see the door lines. Look at that little windshield wiper. That is nuts. Look at the front end. That is very well detailed. That's incredible. I just can't get over the seats. The little race harnesses in there. And I love the interior. Look at that. It's like if you had a real E30 and you tore out the interior, that's what you're going to see underneath it. Like a true race car. Look at the mirror in there. It's gorgeous. Good job, Tarmac Works. Keep up the great work. This is beautiful. I'm curious on this one. How well the interior, or I can talk. The chassis is detailed. Because the GT3 I've got, it's got just a plain bottom. So what'd you guys do for the BMW? Oh, this one's actually got detail. Nice. Tarmac BMW E30 M3, made in China. And it rolls up. Nope, not the back. So kind of like my GT3, the front rolls fine, but not the back. It doesn't roll whatsoever. It's because those tires are really tucked in there. I'm okay with that. I know a lot of collectors prefer that their models roll. But for me, I don't know. I'm okay with it not rolling. Screws. I should take it apart. Of course, gotta see that interior up close. So even off there, this does not want to roll. So it appears that the axle is... Oh, no, it's actually locked. That's very interesting. Now that I get it apart, can you see that? It actually locks in place. The front ones do not have locks on it. I'm going to take this off camera real quick, see if I can get some off. Perfect. So, alright, so it appears that the seat belts are stickers. Impressive. Yeah, you can really see the interior now. You even got a little silver stick shift. Don't see any. Actually, there's really no dash detail at all. It's just kind of like a wall. So it's meant, because you can see it from there, I guess they're expecting you to not really get a microscope and look through the windows to see the interior. I'm not seeing any dash detail. It looks like the steering wheel is actually kind of molded to where the instrument panel would be. Interesting. Anyways, there you have it. Take a peek inside. Not something you're going to see very often. Very cool. If you guys are getting any of these Tarmac Works, let me know. If you're making a video of them, post them, share them with me. Let me see them. Anyways, good luck guys, and happy hunting.